राजधानी दिल्ली के छतरपुर में रेसिडेंट स्काई मेंशन में लग्जरी डिजाइनर होम्स बनाए गए हैं, जिसे डिजाइनर तरुण तहलानी द्वारा डिजाइन किया गया है। आप देख सकते हैं कि इस लग्जरी होम में एक व्यक्ति को उसके जीवन की हर प्रकार की सहूलियत दी जाएगी। रेसिडेंट स्काई मेंशन द्वारा 3 BHK, 4 BHK और पेंट हाउस में डिजाइन किया गया। इस डिजाइनर होम में लग्जरी बेडरूम, स्विमिंग पूल, जिम, स्पा और कई प्रकार की फैसिलिटीज प्रोवाइड की गई हैं। इस दौरान स्मार्ट इन्वेस्टर्स कंपनी का ग्रैंड लॉन्च करते हुए स्मार्ट इन्वेस्टर्स मीट का आयोजन किया गया। इस कार्यक्रम को स्मार्ट इन्वेस्टर्स कंपनी से धीरज जैन और शालू जैन ने आयोजित किया।
I am Dheeraj Jain. We have started a new brand, Smart Investors, and we are here at Chhatarpur, which is a beautiful project and an amazing location, which is with Rizland Sky Mansion. This is only and only 163 apartments total, which is 3 BHK, 4 BHK and penthouses starting from 6.5 crores. And it's an amazing location. You have green on the both sides and amenities which are uncountable, security which is tremendous, and construction quality which is super than A1. So there is absolutely no reason why you should not be here. This is the place to invest and the place to stay.
And we are here at a grand launch event of Smart Investors at Rizland Sky Mansion, Chhatarpur, New Delhi. Guys, we are so happy to see such beautiful crowd and elite customers, our esteemed guests over here. So many people have turned out today, and we are in collaboration with Audi Delhi South over here. And thank you so much, my proud guests, to be here and appreciating the project and took out their precious time to spend some time at this beautiful project, and many more events to come. And we are so happy to launch our new brand, Smart Investors.
इस आयोजन में दिल्ली और देश की कई नामचीन हस्तियों ने शिरकत की। इस दौरान ऑडी कंपनी ने अपनी स्पेशल कार को भी प्रस्तुत किया। बता दें कि स्मार्ट इन्वेस्टर्स कंपनी ने रेसिडेंट स्काई मेंशन के साथ कोलैबोरेशन किया है।
I am in Chhatarpur and I am attending an event which is hosted by Dheeraj Jain and Shalu Jain. It's a launch of their firm Smart Investors, and we are also, and there is unveiling of this apartment, this luxury apartment, which is spectacular and which is designed by Tarun Tehliani, which is Skyline Mansions, Rizland by Sky Mansions, and it's amazing property worth investing. So I encourage everyone to please have a look and enjoy the experience of luxury. Thank you.
We are in 8 locations taking care of you, and today we've been invited by Mr. Dheeraj and Shalu. Beautiful event put together, and they are promoting Rizland. We've just been to their apartments, beautifully made, conceptualized, 4 bedrooms, 3 bedrooms. You all must come and see. And congratulations to Dheeraj and Shalu for having this grand event, handling so many people, and congratulations to both of you.
Or so many posts I have. Plus congratulations to Shalu Jain and Dheeraj Jain ji. उन्होंने अभी जो ग्रैंड लॉन्च करा है अपना स्मार्ट इन्वेस्टर का, उसके लिए बहुत बहुत इनको मुबारकबाद। प्लस अनवीलिंग हो रहा है जो रिचलैंड स्काई मेंशन का, तो कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस फॉर ऑल योर, इनके जितने भी फ्यूचर एंडीवर्स हैं उनके लिए बहुत बहुत congratulations.
And today I'm the wonderful event which is most required by everybody. That's about house, about luxury, about class. And today I'm here in Rizland Mansion apartment, which is designed by Tarun Tehliani. And this event is very well organized with the well-known real estate, like owners, that is Dheeraj Jain, and her wife is managing this event, Shalu Jain. So I really like to congratulate both of them. And apart from that, today's event is really close to my heart because हम यहाँ पे कुछ खरीदने आए हैं, and after seeing the penthouse, their 4 BHK, 3 BHK, it's amazing. मैं तो अपना एक लेने जा रही हूँ, right? And I'm sure if you look for luxury class, you also visit Rizland Mansion apartment and you're gonna love the class they have. Yeah, thanks.
And I would like to congratulate the whole group of Rizland, and this is a ready to move apartment, and I would like to thank you Shalu ji for inviting me, and it's such a luxury apartment. I really liked it, and thank you so much.
So आज जो इवेंट है शालू जी का एंड धीरज जी का, बहुत अच्छा इवेंट था, बहुत अच्छा मीट एंड ग्रीट था. I really enjoyed it, and many congratulations to Shalu ji and Dheeraj ji. Thank you.
And first of all, I just congrats Shalu ji for lovely event and inviting us. And to be very honest, this is the one of the best, building I ever seen, high-rise in Delhi. So 3 cheers to the, people who are actually promoting like Shalu, like smart investors and Rizland Sky Mansion.
And I would like to first congratulate the entire team for the smart investment which has launched the Rizland. जो इतनी beautiful apartments इसने बनाया है, it's out of the world. Look at the flow, look at the interiors, look at the color combination. It's like amazing, no words.
जिसमें इन्वेस्टर्स ने आकर इस होम को देखा और खरीदने की बात कही। ब्यूरो रिपोर्ट द दिल्ली टुडे न्यूज़।